Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Here's your chance to own this beautiful 8-bedroom, 7-bathroom, 3-family house in the highly sought after Rhyne Park community in Montego Bay. This is a great investment opportunity. The land area of this house is approximately 5,745 square feet. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.